we are watching the tropics. Why? Because there's a lot of activity going on out there right now in the Atlantic. We do have one decrease in numbers and one increase in numbers. The increase is for that tropical wave. It's coming off the coast of Africa. That one is 60% chance now of it developing over the next 7 days. But the one off of the East Coast, that one only a 30% chance of it actually developing. That's a downward number. It looks like as it continues to move out. It's very disorganized, and now it's going to start moving into colder water very soon, and that won't allow it to really build. And then, of course, we have Dexter way farther out towards the northeast. Colorado State University announcing that they're sticking with their forecast, and over the next 2 weeks anticipating a more active season. And there's a couple of reasons why. Remember, their forecast is calling for 17 named storms, 9 hurricanes, and 4 of those becoming major. On average, we get about 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. So it's not a huge difference, staying well far above average, just a couple more than what we normally see in a hurricane season. And this is one of the reasons why. There's a couple of reasons. As we look out of our climatology, we can see that as of today, we're getting closer and closer into moving into the peak of hurricane season, which is actually on September 10th. But, you know, we still have a month to go. But as you can see, it starts to really ramp up. And one of the reasons why is the warmer than average sea surface temperatures. A lot of that now showing that a lot of the Atlantic itself has a lot of warmth in it. And that is essentially energy that gives these storms the strength it needs to really build up even more. The other thing that they're watching is a weaker wind shear out in the Caribbean. That allows for the storms to build up quicker compared to having the wind shear, which kind of cuts off the top. And then, of course, the last thing is the lack of an El Nino. And that was already anticipated, which is why they were forecasting an above average season. But everything's starting to move in that direction. And now with the weaker wind shear over the Caribbean, that could allow for storms to build up a bit quicker. So something we have to be monitoring as we go on throughout the next few months. Bringing it back here at home, though, 95 degrees in Austin, 95 in Marble Falls, 95 in Llano, and 92 out towards Fredericksburg. With partly cloudy skies up there. We've gotten plenty of sunshine as the day goes on. Now, we were watching just a few showers that tried to make a run for more of an inland approach for Texas. But as you can tell, all of it pretty much stayed out towards Houston and out towards Galveston. Our neighbors out towards Houston still seeing some showers this afternoon. As we look at temperatures for tomorrow, we're at around 99 degrees. Dripping Springs at around 97 for tomorrow. Fredericksburg at 95. Blanco at 95. And San Marcos at around 100, and our high temperatures expected to pretty much stay around the mid to upper 90s. Really no chances of rainfall. Everything stays well out towards the east. Even as I move the clock out towards tomorrow morning, I don't anticipate to see very much build up. We could see a few more showers trying to make a run for central Texas, but it looks like it may not happen. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Here's the thing. I am throwing back in that 10% chance of rain for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I encourage you to stick around in the next half hour. We're going to talk a bit more about why.